Y'all, it's Sweet Treat Sunday, and I think Stu has one of my favorites in the gummy bear box today. Oh yeah, the black jellybird eggs. Basically black licorice jelly beans. Now I know a lot of people don't like these, but I for one do. And I'm going to share with you a little secret you may not know about them. So something you may not have known about black licorice in general is it's good for heartburn. And I don't really even do a taste test on these, but the stomach has been acting a little funky lately, so yeah, we're just gonna eat one anyway. Oh, the smell. Like I said, it takes a special type of candy connoisseur to appreciate black licorice. I know a lot of people just don't. But for those of you who do, and no, I'm just letting you know these are not expired yet. In fact, they don't expire until August of this year. These are from last Easter. And surprisingly, I have not opened them. But these are not the best form of black licorice. That I will share with you. Maybe in a special. Well, we'll share it in the future. Because these are, we'll just say this. These are better than the Twizzlers. Infinitely. Like, the black licorice Twizzlers are okay. These are stronger. Twizzlers are kind of weak. But I mean, if you like it subtle, go for the Twizzlers. If you don't, wait till these babies come back out. Easter is not that far away. It'll be here before you know it. But yeah, I think, yeah, these get a solid